Hello everyone, welcome to Numerical series of electrical machine, and today our number problem is a 3-phase 50 Hz star connected 2000 kVA 2300 volt alternator gives a short circuit current of 600 ampere for a shortened field excitation. With the same excitation, the open circuit voltage was 900 voltage. The resistance between a pair of terminals was 0.12 ohm. Find the full load regulation at unity power factor and 0.8 power factor lagging. First of all, we have to find ZDS, and we know ZDS equal to open circuit voltage per phase upon short circuit current per phase, that is 900. So this is divided by root 3. This is not multiply, this is divided by root 3 upon 600, and you can get 0.866 ohm, and resistance between the terminal is 0.12. It is the resistance of two phases connected in series. So resistance per phase is 0.12 upon 2, that is 0.06, and effective resistance is 0.06 into 1.5. We have to multiply by 1.5. This is the correction factor. Then you can get 0.09 ohm, and you know S equal to root 3 VL IL. So IL equal to S upon root 3 into VL, 2000 into 1000 upon root 3 into 2200. We can get 502 ampere, and voltage per phase is 2300 divided by root 3, so 1328 volt. And we know XS equal to root under ZDS square minus RA square. So put the value of ZDS and RA, we can get 0.86 ohm at unity power factor. E naught equal to root under Vp cos phi plus Ia RA square plus Vp sin phi Ia into XS whole square. Put all these value, we can get the value of E naught 1425 volt, and voltage regulation equal to E naught minus Vp upon Vp into 100. So 1425 minus 1328 upon 1328 into 100, we can get 7.3 at 0.8 power factor. E naught equal to root under Vp cos phi plus Ia Ra whole square plus Vp sin phi plus Ia XS whole square. Then cos phi is already given 0.8. We have cos phi, then we find the value of sin phi. Sin phi equal to 1 minus cos square phi, and put all this value, we can get E naught at 0.8 lagging power factor, that is 1644 volt, and we know voltage regulation equal to E naught minus Vp upon Vp into 100. So put the value of E naught Vp, we can get voltage regulation is 23.7%.